So I have a brother machine here, the one I'm working on, and I want to show you exactly what I meant before. This customer brought this machine, and you know, all the screws are missing. All the screws are missing for this machine. Why? The customer took it apart. What was the problem they had? Probably they have an issue with the timing or something, and they make the big mistake of something that I always said. Here should be a plastic cover there that you're not supposed to touch it. I said before in many videos, if you take that tape off and you take this apart, everything on the machine is going to rerun. And I'm going to show you now what I'm talking about. Let me show you. You're going to see what happens when you take it off. Check this out. This is brother SQ9185. I want to show you this. Look at this. That's why she says it's breaking a lot of thread. You can see there. Look at this. You know, that's when you reverse, the foot goes back. But you see, this is going to break a lot of needles. Okay, so I fixed the machine now. I was able to put everything back together. I was able to find a screw that fit into the machine. What happened is the customer lost that screw. So that's why you see the feed dog and the needle moving back to front. And the needle, it's hitting all over the plate because, you know, the needle is not centered. So I'm going to put a piece of tape on it. Please do not ever take that piece of tape off. Once you take it off, you have to take the machine to the technician because you will not be able to put that together, okay? You will not be able to put it together if you take that screw out. It's gonna mix up your zigzag, your straight stitch, the center of the needle to the left, to the right, to the back, to the front, everything get mixed up. So do not touch that part of the machine. If I have a plastic here to cover that, is so that you do not touch it, okay? This is brother SQ9185. I want to show you this. Look at this. The whole mechanism, and it's moving. That's not good. That's not going to help at all. That's why she says it's breaking a lot of thread. You can see there. Look at this. You know, that's when you reverse, the foot goes back. But you see, this is completely wrong. I have to go inside, open up the machine, and find out what's going on here. This is really crazy. That's going to break a lot of different threads. This is going to break a lot of needles.